In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your standard rate in your account. Setting a clear, accurate standard rate ensures your invoices, quotes, and financial reports reflect the value of your work. I'll walk you through the exact clicks to get it done, along with a few tips to help you choose the right number and avoid common mistakes. First, open your account dashboard and click Settings. You'll typically find this as a gear icon or a labeled menu item near the top or side of the screen. Before you head in, make sure you don't have any unsaved work elsewhere, since navigating away might discard changes in other areas. Once you're in Settings, you're in the place where platform-wide preferences are kept, including core financial defaults. Next, click Tax and Financial Information. This section groups together details like your billing preferences, tax configuration, currency, and default rates. It's the right spot because your standard rate is part of how the system calculates charges and populates items on estimates and invoices. If your account uses slightly different wording, look for the area that mentions taxes, billing, or financial settings. Now, find standard rate. This is the default amount the system uses when you create new billable items, time entries, or line items without a custom rate. Think of it as your baseline price. If you bill hourly, this is typically your hourly charge. If you bill per unit, it's the per unit amount. It's helpful to pause here and consider whether your standard rate should reflect current demand, experience level, and common project scope. A well-chosen baseline saves time later, so you don't need to override rates on every invoice. Enter your preferred rate. Type the number in the field exactly as you want it to appear. Double-check the currency shown on the page so your rate aligns with your account's currency settings. Keep the format clean, numbers only, with decimals if needed. If you factor taxes separately, enter the net rate here and let the tax settings handle the rest. If you offer tiered pricing, choose a solid baseline that fits most engagements, and remember you can still adjust individual projects or line items later. Finally, click Save Changes. Look for a confirmation or success message before moving on. If the page prompts you about unsaved edits, confirm that you want to keep them. From now on, new invoices and entries that rely on defaults will use your updated standard rate, helping ensure consistent, professional billing. That's it. You've set your standard rate quickly and confidently. Revisit this setting anytime your pricing evolves so your billing always reflects your current value.